How to build muscle without heavy weights, science-backed. Building muscle isn't just for those lifting heavy dumbbells in the gym. Science shows that you can transform your body using nothing but your own weight and a smart approach. Stay tuned to discover how to sculpt lean, powerful muscle, no weights required. Bodyweight training and muscle growth. Building muscle doesn't always require heavy barbells or dumbbells. Your body alone can be a powerful tool for resistance training. Science shows that muscle growth, or hypertrophy, depends on applying tension to muscle fibers, causing small tears that then repair and grow stronger. Bodyweight exercises like push-ups, squats, pull-ups, and planks can effectively stimulate this response when performed with proper intensity and control. The key is to work close to muscular failure, meaning you perform as many reps as possible until you can't maintain proper form. This fatigue ensures the muscle fibers are fully activated, much like lifting heavy weights does. A 2012 study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that low-load resistance training taken to failure can produce similar muscle gains as high-load training. This means that if you can't lift heavy, pushing your bodyweight workouts to the limit can still trigger muscle growth. The main difference lies in the number of repetitions. You'll likely need more reps with lighter resistance to achieve the same effect. The role of progressive overload. Progressive overload is a fundamental principle in muscle building, regardless of equipment. It means gradually increasing the challenge to your muscles over time. With bodyweight training, this can be achieved in several ways. You can increase repetitions, slow down the tempo of your movements, or reduce rest time between sets. Another powerful method is to modify the exercise itself to make it harder, such as elevating your feet during push-ups or trying single-leg squats. As muscles adapt to the stress you place on them, they need more resistance or intensity to continue growing. Even without weights, you can manipulate angles and leverage to increase tension. For example, moving from a regular plank to a one-arm plank dramatically increases the load on your stabilizing muscles. Consistent application of progressive overload ensures continuous muscle adaptation and growth. Time under tension and controlled movements. The speed at which you perform exercises significantly affects muscle development. When you slow down your movements, especially during the eccentric phase, you increase time under tension. This prolonged stress stimulates more muscle fiber recruitment and boosts protein synthesis, which is crucial for growth. Take push-ups, for instance. If you lower your body slowly for 4 seconds and then push back up explosively, you're creating more tension and metabolic stress than performing quick, uncontrolled reps. Research published in Sports Medicine indicates that time under tension is directly linked to hypertrophy, especially when each set lasts between 40 and 70 seconds. The goal isn't just to move, but to move with intention. Maintaining controlled form throughout each exercise enhances the quality of your workout and reduces injury risk. It also ensures the targeted muscles, rather than momentum or secondary muscles, are doing most of the work. Maximizing muscle activation through range of motion. Performing exercises through a full range of motion ensures that muscles are worked at every possible angle. When you go deeper in squats or lower your chest fully during push-ups, you increase muscle fiber activation and improve flexibility. For instance, doing a full push-up, touching your chest close to the floor before extending your arms, recruits more chest, shoulder, and triceps fibers. Similarly, full squats activate both the quads and glutes more effectively than half squats. The principle is simple: longer movement equals more muscle tension and thus better growth. The importance of training volume and frequency. When training without heavy weights, increasing volume and frequency becomes vital. Volume refers to the total number of sets and reps performed, while frequency is how often you train a muscle group. Studies show that spreading your workouts throughout the week, rather than cramming everything into one session, leads to greater muscle protein synthesis. For example, doing push-ups, squats, and lunges 3 to 4 times a week stimulates continuous growth signals. Because bodyweight workouts are generally lower in intensity compared to heavy lifting, your muscles can recover faster, allowing for more frequent training. The goal is to strike a balance, train hard enough to challenge your muscles, but not so much that you risk overtraining. Nutrition and protein synthesis. Even the best workout won't build muscle if your diet isn't aligned with your goals. Protein intake is the cornerstone of muscle growth because it provides the amino acids needed for repair and hypertrophy. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition recommends consuming around 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily for optimal muscle development. You can get high-quality protein from sources like chicken, fish, eggs, tofu, and legumes. Combining resistance training with a protein-rich diet enhances muscle protein synthesis, which peaks a few hours after your workout. Additionally, consuming a balanced mix of carbohydrates and healthy fats ensures your body has enough energy to perform and recover effectively. Staying hydrated also plays a vital role, as dehydration can impair strength, endurance, and recovery. Sleep and recovery. Muscle growth happens during rest, not while you're exercising. Sleep is when the body releases growth hormones and repairs the micro-tears created during training. Skimping on sleep can disrupt recovery and slow progress. Research from the Journal of Sports Sciences indicates that athletes who sleep less than 7 hours a night experience lower muscle recovery rates and reduced performance. Aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Additionally, incorporating active recovery, such as stretching, yoga, or light cardio, can promote blood flow and help remove lactic acid buildup. Overtraining without sufficient rest can lead to fatigue, injury, and plateaus in progress, so recovery should always be part of your strategy. Mind-muscle connection and focus. Developing a strong mind-muscle connection can significantly enhance the effectiveness of your workouts. This means consciously engaging and feeling the target muscle as you perform each movement. Studies have shown that individuals who focus on the working muscle during training experience greater muscle activation compared to those who move without awareness. This mental engagement ensures better control, improved form, and more effective tension on the right muscle groups. It transforms a simple movement into a precision exercise, maximizing growth even without heavy loads. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more fitness breakdowns, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.